I've just come up with a really exciting concept for a new video, and in this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how you can turn your ideas into finished videos using InVideo. This advanced AI-powered platform lets you start with nothing more than a simple prompt and transform it into a complete, polished video in minutes. InVideo automatically manages the entire production process for you. It creates the script, inserts captions, selects background music, generates voice narration, and even finds or licenses suitable stock footage. Because of this, you can stay focused on creativity while the AI handles all the technical details, helping you save hours that would normally be spent editing. Throughout this video, I'll guide you through the full workflow of making a video with InVideo, starting from account setup and moving all the way to creating your first AI-generated project. You'll also discover powerful tools such as voice cloning, which allows the narration to closely match your own voice, making your content feel more personal and authentic. On top of that, I'll show you how to make instant adjustments, whether you want to change the captions, swap visuals, or adjust the pacing. We'll also take a look at InVideo's impressive translation and dubbing tools, which allow you to quickly convert your videos into multiple languages and reach audiences around the world. By the end of this tutorial, you'll clearly understand how to create, edit, and export professional quality videos using AI quickly, efficiently, and with confidence. Once you're on the platform, click on Create Now. Then you can input your information on the left-hand side. Completing this step allows you to create an account, which is necessary to start generating videos. It's a simple process, but it's the foundation for accessing all of InVideo's powerful features. Once you've created your account, you'll be brought to this screen. This is where you can input your video prompt to begin generating your video. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to navigate, even for beginners. All the key functions are displayed clearly so you can start creating them without needing prior experience. But before we do that, there are a couple of important things to do first. The first thing is choosing a plan. Your choice here will determine what features are available to you. While the free plan allows you to experiment, it is very limited and may restrict some of the more advanced features such as voice cloning or unlimited exports. Go to the top right and click on Upgrade. When you first create your account, you'll be on the free plan, which is extremely limited. Upgrading to the Plus plan is highly recommended. This gives you access to features like voice cloning, unlimited exports, and licensed stock footage. By choosing the right plan, you ensure that you can fully take advantage of everything InVideo offers without running into restrictions. Switch between yearly or monthly, enter payment information, and subscribe to continue. To make sure you have access to every feature in InVideo, enable beta features. These features often include the latest tools that InVideo is testing, such as new AI models or improved workflows. Go to the top right, click on your profile, select settings, and toggle on beta features. Once enabled, you'll have access to every available feature, allowing you to experiment and create more advanced videos. Then click on Create New to begin generating your video. This is where the creative process truly begins. The AI is now ready to take your instructions and turn them into a fully produced video. First, choose a model. There are multiple options available, and each model has slightly different capabilities. Selecting the most recent version will provide the highest quality output and access to the newest features, ensuring that your video looks and sounds professional. Next, choose whether to type your prompt manually or use a pre-made workflow. Workflows include explainer videos, short videos, listicles, and many more. These are helpful for beginners because they provide a structured starting point and guide the AI on how to approach your video project. For this video, the prompt is written manually, but workflows are very useful when getting started. They help simplify the process by giving the AI clear guidance on format, style, and pacing. To generate the video, paste your prompt into the input box. You can write up to 32,000 characters, which means you can fully control every aspect of your video. This includes specifying the voiceover style, music, caption style, visual theme, and the platform you're targeting. Being clear and detailed ensures the AI understands your vision and can produce the best possible outcome. It's best to be direct with the AI. Avoid overloading it with unnecessary information, but make sure all key details are included. For example, if you want a dramatic music style or certain footage to appear at specific points, include that in your prompt. The more precise your instructions, the more accurately the AI will follow them. If you generate the video normally, the narration uses a standard AI voice. While this works well, voice cloning adds a personal touch. With voice cloning, you can upload a sample recording so the narration sounds like you. This is particularly useful for personal branding or creating a consistent style across multiple videos. Click on Plugins, select AI Twins, and click Create Voice Clone. Upload your sample recording, confirm the permissions, and proceed. The AI will analyze the recording, clone your voice, and make it ready for use in your project. Once selected, paste your prompt again with the voice clone enabled. Now click Generate Video. Choose between stock media or generative media. Set your duration, audience, and platform. Once confirmed, the AI begins generating your video. Depending on complexity, this process can take a few minutes or up to an hour. During this time, the AI is analyzing your prompt, selecting visuals, generating narration, and assembling the footage in a coherent sequence. Once complete, the video is ready to preview. The AI has created the script, matched stock footage, added narration, captions, and music, and edited everything automatically. This instant preview allows you to see how your vision has been brought to life and ensures you can make changes if needed. If something doesn't look right, you can give the AI command to revise it. For example, you can change the caption style, adjust timing, or modify the on-screen text behavior. The AI will update the video accordingly, often in just a few moments. For manual control, click on Edit. From here, you can replace footage, change music, edit the script, and adjust settings. Changing a single word in the script will automatically update the narration as well, saving significant editing time. You can export the project to a timeline editor. This allows detailed control over voiceover, music, footage, and captions. You can refine every layer to achieve the exact look and feel you want. This step is especially useful for professional projects or when you want precise control over the pacing and visual style. You can dub the video into another language with a single command. Both voiceover and captions are translated automatically, making it easy to reach international audiences without hiring multiple translators or voice actors. This feature is powerful for creators looking to expand their reach globally. Once everything is finalized, click Download Video. Choose the resolution, remove watermarks, and review licensing usage. Export the video, then download or share it once ready. At this point, you have a fully produced video that is ready for publishing on any platform. You've now created a complete video using InVideo AI. No technical skills are required, and the possibilities are nearly limitless. All you need is imagination and a clear idea of what you want to create. This tool makes high-quality video production accessible to everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.